Hi, welcome to the Global Brand Academy's Learning with GBA. My name is Dr. Jerome Joseph and I'm the Chief Experience Officer of the Brand Theatre Worldwide and the Head Brand Coach of the Global Brand Academy. I've been ranked number 2 in the world as a global brand thought leader, and I've also written 8 best-selling books on branding. In this Learning with GBA segments, I will be walking you through our world-class training programs at the Global Brand Academy. All programs have been rigorously developed over the years, incorporating all our market knowledge and our 24 years of global experience. Our programs have an emphasis on real-life go-to-market strategies to grow your brand and business. And we have worked with more than 1,000 brands in 34 countries. So join me as I take you through our best-in-class training programs here at the Global Brand Academy. Join us and learn with us.